All right, here we are now, another video on this F100. On the last video, we installed the seats, and of course, we're gonna have to take them back out because the inside will be needs to get prepped for paint and a little bit of body work. Not much though, and the cab is gonna come back off the frame again. A lot of the things that I'm doing to this truck, I'm having to fit and take off, fit and take off. I mean, I'm doing a lot of that. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and make some I guess I'm gonna have to custom make my own motor mount brackets. And the reason I'm doing it myself is because I looked at there was a website that I looked at for these specific brackets for the motor mount, because I did do the Crown Vic swap, and of course I'm putting a 351 in the truck, and it's not, from the website, it's not really gonna line up if I buy those brackets, and those brackets are $200, and I don't want to make no $200 mistake. So I mean, if you could do it, if you could make your own, make your own. I mean, it's just as simple as that. The money could be put elsewhere in different parts for the truck, for whatever. So what I have so far, let me show you what I have. All right, so this is tack welded together. Of course, I will be bracing this some more as I continue with this. I'm gonna leave this space open, so future purposes I'll be able to get in here and take this nut off. Let me show y'all where this is actually gonna go. Let me walk right here. Excuse my mess, but you see the angle? I can't put it in really right now, but this is gonna go like that. Of course, the hole's right there, the hole you have right there on the bottom. And after I finish welding it, everything's gonna be pretty strong. There's really nothing to making these. I mean, it's pretty simple, but I'm cutting this with the grinder. I don't have, I mean, that's not what I'm cutting. That's not the disc I'm cutting it with, but I am cutting this with a grinder, and it's taking a while. But after I finish welding everything together, I'm gonna clean everything up, put some more bracing right here on this side, of course, and who knows, I might, I don't know, I don't plan on doing much other thing, but just continue welding it. This hole right here, I am gonna have to drill a long hole, long ways. So because the angle that this sits and the motor mount sits with the nut, with the bolt on it, I'm gonna need some space so they could drop in. Or I don't know, I just might bolt it up first and then bolt the bottom part to the Crown Vic subframe. So here we go with this. All right, kind of right off the bat, I did have some fitment issues. I did have to cut this part off on both sides, and I went ahead and duplicated that on the passenger side. But with the steering components, yeah, I was getting pretty close, so I didn't want to deal with that later on. So I went ahead and just shaved this off. And the motor's mocked up, but looks like these are gonna be the final product, is that shape. It's not all the way bolted in, that's why it looks like that. Looks like it has a slight angle right there on the bottom, but I already finished bolting it in already. I started taking it loose. I'm about to pick it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint them so I don't have any rust issues later on down the line. All right, y'all, so here we go. They're already installed. No, I do not use fan filters for nothing. I've never used fan filters, never will use fan filters. These are straight garbage. I bought the motor like that. It was running and the guy had it, so I just left it on there, and he crushed it when he was loading it into my truck. But here they are. They're painted already. They don't look like they're painted, but they're painted kind of like a flat black, just to keep the rust away. Fully bolted on. I already took care of little space right here that I was gonna need for the steering, so that's that side, and here's this side. So I'm probably gonna have to replace the bushing itself since it has cracks in it like that. We'll get some new bushings after a while. All right, y'all, on to the next project. Find out what that'll be later on. Of course, I still got to close this up, do the body work, minor body work to the cab, and well, I don't know if that's gonna be next or what, but has plenty of room. More than likely I will have to change out this fan, like I said before. I'm probably gonna get rid of the fan and get a radiator with electric fans on it. All right, y'all, I'll catch you on the next one.